welcome students. Today we have exercise 8.5. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks by written and improper fraction and mixed fractions. We have the 3 circles and 6 portions. We have written 2 parts. We have last parts 2, and we have written in denominator, and colored parts is 5. We like that. Or we written 2 whole 1 upon and 2, we converted into proper fraction. We divided 2 with 5. Answer is 2 whole 1 upon and 2. Now you can written and these practice all questions. Question number 2, circle the improper fraction. We have to circle improper fraction. Improper fractions are 61 upon 36, 84 upon 75, and these are improper fractions. And question number 3, 4, 5 we have uploaded in a previous video. Okay, move on. Exercise 8.6. Question number 1 is color the boxes and add the fractions. One has been done for you. One fraction have been done. 2 upon 7 plus 4 upon and 7. We add these fractions. 2 plus 4 is 6 upon 7. We written 7 like as it is, because we have not added these last denominators in fractions values. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 denominators, boxes, and 2 are dark colored and 4 are light colored. Now 1 is uncolored box. We retain 6 upon and 7. Next is 2 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. We don't add denominators and fraction values. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 upon and 5. We colored 2 parts with darker colors and another color. C, 3 upon 7 plus 1 upon 7. So we add the numerators. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 7. Question number 2, add the following. We have the fraction values A, 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 3. We have add upper values, numerators and denominators we have not added. 1 upon 2, added numerators 1 and 2, answer is 3, and 3 and 3 we not added, we have written only once. 3 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, answer is 1. B question is 21 upon 32 plus 9 upon and 32. Okay, 21 and plus 9 is 30, and 32 we written once again. 30 and 32 is our answer. You can complete all questions in your notebook with the help of your book. Question number 3 is cross the boxes and find the difference. One has been done for you. You can cross. One example has been given, 7 minus 3 upon 9. We have the boxes, 9 boxes. 7 boxes has colored and 3 boxes is crossed, and 4 boxes is remaining color, and 2 is blank. B question is 4 upon 7 minus 2 upon 7. We have 7 boxes, 4 colored boxes, and we have put 2 cross in 2 boxes. Answer is 2 upon 7, 4 minus 2. Answer is 2 upon 7. 5 upon 6 minus 1 upon 6. We have 6 boxes. One we have put the cross sign, and 5 we have remain same, and 1 is blank. Answer is 5 minus 1. Answer is 4 upon and 6. Our 4 question is subtract the following questions. A, 50 upon 77 minus 34 upon 77. We have minus 50 with 34. Answer is 26 upon 77. B is 34 upon 41 minus 20 upon 41. We have minus 34 into 20. Answer is 16. And 41 we have remain same, written in once again. Answer is 16 upon and 41. You can complete remaining questions in your book and notebooks also. And exercise 8.6 is completed. Okay, Allah Hafiz.